Creating sprints in ClickUp is an efficient way to manage agile workflows and organize tasks within a specific time frame. Here's how you can set up sprints. Enable the sprint feature. Go to your workspace settings by clicking your profile picture or workspace name in the bottom left corner. Select ClickUps and enable the Sprint ClickUp. Configure sprint settings such as sprint duration, automatic sprint creation, and start dates. Create a sprint folder. Navigate to the space where you want to create sprints. Click on the New Folder button. Name the folder and select sprint points or story points as a task management option. Set the sprint duration, such as 1 or 2 weeks, depending on your team's workflow. Add tasks to the sprint. Inside the sprint folder, create tasks or drag existing tasks into the sprint. Assign story points or effort estimates to each task if applicable. Manage the sprint. Use the sprint dashboard or the board view to monitor progress. Start a sprint by clicking the Start Sprint button, which activates the sprint timeline. Track the completion of tasks during the sprint and review results upon completion.